Today we are going to be installing this OpenClaw, which is also known as a clone bot, claw bot. Okay, and I'm gonna be doing that step by step. I was playing with that for several days and it's quite powerful, but there are always issues with security, and there are also not so many people talking about the cases that you can do with that. At the same moment, it's quite popular right now because right now this Clawbot is quite hyped. So a few days ago it was called Cloudbot, now it's OpenBot, then it was Moldbot, and if you go to this web page, it's gonna say that this person here, Peter Steinberg, just renamed it. It was yesterday, at the moment when I'm recording that. And this project, OpenClaw, was made just a weekend. Just for 1 weekend he made it. So that's quite cool because that shows me that people can make projects just in a weekend and then earn a lot of eyeballs and then maybe a lot of money with that. So let's dive deep to the project and how to install it first. Just a few more words about the naming. So at first it was Cloud, then it was Mold, and then it was OpenClaw. So maybe tomorrow it's gonna be it's gonna have the different name. And the problem with this Peter Steinberg, which is kind of like hyped right now, is that I saw his tweet over here that he was never he was always shipping the code I never read. And that's a huge problem because every time you do something, of course you can get a lot of save a lot of time when you are doing something. At the end you have to take care of the security, and that's the huge issue with Cloudbot at the moment, because I saw that a lot of people was complaining that their private data was gone somewhere online. I think the best way to install Cloudbot or OpenClaw right now is the VPS, Virtual Private Server. So if you'll go to your account, for example, it can be a Hostinger, you can just do it super easy. It's not that expensive right now. You can get a VPS plan, and I'm renting this VPS, which is here. I just went through this applications. You can choose the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS if you want, and here you can just create your VPS, and I went to the VPS plan, which is only $4 or $5 a month, but I went to this KVM number 2, and you can also use it for your NA10 server or something else like local deployed LLM, and talk to your own LLM through this price. I think it's affordable. It's almost using the 56% of the memory, and from 200 gigabytes it's using 52. Yeah, but that's not so interesting. So let's go to the Docker manager here and then click on catalog, and here down you can install almost anything that is presented in the catalog. For example, cal.com, it's open sourced scheduling platform for booking meetings, so you can use it for your own needs. And as you can see, we also have here the Cloudbot. But just to let you know, you can also click on this page, like I think it's not here, it doesn't matter. You can add your own projects here. You don't have to stay on this page. You can also add anything from Docker, but right now we're gonna try to find for this claw. And now we have this OpenClaw. Just deploy this OpenClaw. You have your gateway token. You can add these credentials here, but it's not really important because you can do it afterwards. So I will just click on deploy, and in few minutes or seconds we're gonna be able to start our conversation with the Cloudbot. So after 3 minutes approximately, we have this OpenClaw project, and inside the OpenClaw we have this link here. You can click on that, and then you're gonna go to the control panel, dashboard. So to start this bot, I was doing everything from the terminal. We can also go to the terminal here, and we can try to just type here. We need to go to the setup instruction or into the getting started. Okay, so we have it already. We need to make this preparation. So you need to install the CLI. But I'm afraid that if I'm going to install it, it's going to be doing this installation again. Let's try it. Install it again, because otherwise we're going to need to install all these packages separate. But yeah, but I'm just have this fear that we're going to have the same project, like this OpenClaw. It's 81 TM. I'm going to refresh this page. I want to be sure that I don't have any other OpenClaw projects here. Okay, it's still working. Yeah, because I was also installing it before. It says that it's connected to my calendar somehow. Okay, migration complete. Aha, Telegram is connected. And this is an onboarding thing. Security warning. So this basically means that this person doesn't have any responsibility of any leaks that we're gonna have, but we would have it definitely. We're gonna click quick install. So we are having here this model. The gateway mode is local, so I don't want to spoil my IP address anywhere. The gateway port is this one, and we have some skills with npm. Okay, I will try to use existing values, and then we can skip this model. But if you want to get the cheapest way, you can go to OpenRouter and then give API key to your OpenRouter and then choose the free model. I'm using it quite often. If you go to OpenRouter models and pick the top weekly or most popular, and then you can type here like free. You can always get these free models, which are quite effective, but you don't have to pay anything for them. So let's keep it like it is. I'm using right now the ZAI coding plan. It's only $3 a month, ZAI, but it's super cheap. So here you can get super cheap version of the model, which is comparable with Claude Opus here, but it's quite effective. And right now you can just pay $8 a quarter, what is basically means around $3 a month, and you can get almost 3 times more usage of Claude Pro Plan. So coming back to our settings, skip for now. Okay, I will keep all the providers, keep it like that. And right now I need to connect my Telegram bot. You can also go with some other messengers, but it's so cool to have this option to talk to your bot through your messenger. I'm gonna use it as it is. I need to modify these settings because Telegram token already, no, because I will get another token here. So what you need to do here, you need to go to bot father, open it, and then revoke the API token, and then paste it here. So this bot gonna send you messages or call even, and Telegram all form should be a username. So that should be my username, because that means if you will add your bot to some other chats, only you would control it. So you have to type your name, and this is the I will say what? Right? It cannot use my username. Okay, maybe if I'll go to my bot here and I can start my conversation, I can take this name of my bot and then paste it here. It's not working. So why? Okay. Okay. It should be an allow list, but why it's not working? It's kind of fresh, but setup should be here somewhere. Setup Claw app channels login health. Okay, I'm gonna just type here like yeah, human sender. That's my username. That's right. I'm gonna try to do that again. That's my username. Required. Okay. Maybe I'll do it without. Nah. No, it's still not working. I need to DM my bot. Okay. So I need to type something. Hi. Then what? It's not working. If I'm gonna click escape, I'm gonna start it again. Fun. It's hard to connect it somehow. Let's try to start again this onboarding. All right. That was my mistake. Let's try to do it again. Skip for now. Keep everything. Then I need to modify my settings. Okay. DM your bot, then read from ID, the OpenClaw logs follow, or call, get updates, and read message ID. Third party DM user info bot or get ID bot. All right, user info bot. You see my ID is here. Yeah, and everything is fine. So I don't want to configure the skills right now, but I'm going to be definitely doing that afterwards. Okay, I want to log almost anything here. Gateway service installed. Okay. What next? Onboarding complete. Use your tokenized dashboard. Okay. So if I'll go to the dashboard and refresh it, we see that the health is offline. Device wired in. What else? What else? Sometimes you need to do this. Claw. Gateway. Start. Okay. All right. So let's try again. Things working. device identity required. Okay. I'll go to my bot. Maybe no, it's not working. Disconnected snapshot as usual. Okay. Let's open this. It's not working. Aha, maybe I need to provide this gateway token. All right, I'll go back to my dashboard here, then manage my OpenClaw. Manage. And here we have this port and the gateway token. I think it also should be somewhere over here. No, it's here. Copy. Go back. Paste. And connect. No, for some reason it's not working. Yep. Ah, that's the problem. We have here the wrong. Yep, now it's connected. Now it's basically everything is working right now. If I'll go to chat, I can say hi, and then I'm gonna get this answer from the chatbot. It's quite slow. But if I'll go here, no. What else can be possible to do? Maybe we have a problem. We have one session here. Okay, channels. Yeah. Skills, nodes. Okay, security. We have this configuration here. Some environments. Agents. But we still don't have anything. Okay, stop it. So now what we're gonna do to let it run, I will go to onboard once again. Then I'm gonna do the quick start, but I'm gonna update the values. So we're gonna have more control of our AI. No. And we need to restart or reinstall the gateway. I will do the reinstall just to know that everything is fresh, brand new. And last week, after this step, I had a chat inside this terminal. Let's see what is gonna be. No, onboarding. Okay. Let's try to get this. IP address. No, nothing happened. Refresh. Okay. We have 3 instances, right? Okay, chat. I'll say hi. There's a thinking model. I need to start talking to it. So it's running for 19 minutes, but no chat available. Okay. If I'm gonna, oh, I have a lot of comments here. Let's try to stop it. Maybe I can stop it from here. Block. Okay, try to start it again. Nothing happened. Let's go to here. Okay. Okay. Not talking, blah blah blah. Fast path. Open Telegram and chat with bot. Okay. Control the token. Token privacy permissions. Okay, I don't want to create. Now I want to go to the group. I want to talk to Telegram and start new gateway. That's what we've done already. Still thinking. I need to authorize this Telegram bot. So let's try to OpenClaw. Channels login. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, sorry. Still doing something. That's for the WhatsApp. Let's go to Telegram once again. No. Then channels. Okay. It was set up. It takes start the gateway. I will pause the video now. I will now try to configure link or remove channel config. Yeah, I will just get rid of this Telegram. I would also use the directory and try to paste it again. My key. Yeah, this one. Web tools. Not yet. Right. Health check. Nothing happened. Save. Okay. No, I didn't need to control anything. Continue. Now we have this web gateway closed. I need to restart the gateway. Terminal just grew. Type something. Busy work. Okay. Something is restarted. No, nothing really happened. And the problem here is that the control panel, there's still health is okay. Here we can refresh it. It's made. Yeah, let's try to say hi again. What I can also try to do, I can go here, for example, and then try another model to talk to. Maybe the problem is with the model. Okay, I will try to pick the, let's say, OpenAI for the test. Search. So after talking to Gemini and after searching for some documentation, I finally found that you need to provide this Telegram bot token. But last time everything was working for me because I had it outside of Docker container. But here, to work with this Docker container, you need to basically go down here to the editor, and in the environment, you have to add this Telegram bot token and paste the value here, and then save and deploy. Because otherwise, your container is so closed that you have to inject your token into the container, and then I think it's gonna be working, hopefully. So it takes about 30 seconds usually to refresh. So I can try to make a health check. I think the comment is not going to be working. But here you see we had this fail because it was unauthorized. Now we still have this problem. The project is deployed, okay? Now what it's going to be, we're going to refresh it. The health is okay. I'll say hi. I'll check my Telegram. No, it's not working here. It's not available. I still need to figure out how to fix it. It seems to it have to be in the YAML, in a config YAML file. I will also try to make it like that. Then maybe I'll go outside. I need to search for this OpenClaw. It's not here right now. It's in the Docker container. Yeah, got this OpenClaw 81 TM. Okay. Here we have to. We have only this Docker compose. I'll go back here and go to manage this OpenClaw. We have our Telegram bot token here, so it should work. But what I also think that maybe I need to add here into the environment this just a second, how it's called. Oops. This OpenAI API key, so our bot would know how to talk to us. And also, if I want to search for another token here, that we have here already. Let's continue to deploy our project here. After deployment, we also would have the gateway will be restarted. If I'm gonna refresh this page, Chat is working. Hi. No, seems like it's not working. But there is also one comment which is here, like OpenClaw and doctor. Sometimes it's helping to fix everything. We have to fix the permissions. Give some. Yep. Restart the service right now. Doctor completed. Okay. I need to refresh this page because it's brand new. Say hi. Shall still really work. Telegram. Okay, let's try it from the beginning. Installation. Install everything. Maybe I can try to reinstall everything. Maybe I can I'll check the status. I'm still using the model from ZAI. I'll update it to OpenAI because I gave it the permission to run. Let's say GPT-5 Nano. Telegram. No. Say restart. Okay. What else can we do? Dashboard. Okay. Token. Let's try to run this. 3 comments. I think that's the problem, because we don't have this gateway token. Okay, how to generate it? It was here, start the gateway. Gateway token will be generated by default. Where to get it? Gateway checks local token. Okay, doctor. Let's start from that. So I see we have a problem with these connections. We also have a couple of other issues, but it's not that important. Key is here. All right. 0 criticals, 2 warnings. Okay. For the demo purpose, I would just skip it. Yeah. Yes. Gateway not running. Okay. But where's the token? Maybe it's here. Port is already in use. Yeah, I need to restart that thing. There are some issues in the config file, and this doctor will fix it for me. Runtime running. Okay, restarting service. Gateway has an issue. In the loopback. Okay. I'll say hi. It's not doing anything. But I think the main problem is gateway token. Maybe I need to just a sec. Go to my settings here. It was here. Delete that. Refresh. Okay. Disconnected. Now we can paste it here. Connect. It's connected. Then I'll go back to the doctor and try to fix it. So restarted system. Okay, I restarted it once again. Let's try to get this health. Let's try to run it again. Okay. So why? Working so well. The gateway is fine. Maybe that's the problem here. Because in the gateway target we have this VS something. And here we have completely different thing. Disconnected for no reason. Okay. We have a problem with this backup. No, it's not working. I also found here, if you'll go to this documentation and you will go to Docker, it will be written here that Docker is optional. Use only if you want to centralize gateway. It's very isolated. And if you are running it on your own machine, that's the bad thing. I'll send. It's okay. You can also try to go to you see this global JSON, but it's global OpenClaw. Yes. No, it's not the case. That's an optional thing. We don't need it. Extra packages. Now I can also try to check this comment here. It's not working. Because we don't have, I don't know, we don't have any tokens and anything. Because it's still the old documentation from the past. Check that. No, it's not working. Smoke test. Okay. You can deploy it somewhere else. So let's try another way. Here, I can also run something like OpenCode. And I can ask, like, hi, I'm trying to set up my OpenClaw. Why it's not, or yes, it should. It seems like OpenCode made some changes here. I need to just refresh it, and I'll go to chat. I need to say hi again, and nothing is working. Oh, looking around, this is a fresh workspace. That's fine. Your name is bot. Bot, nice and simple, like it. So I'm a bot. Also, who are you? Okay, the first setup is done, but Telegram is still not working. So I will ask OpenAI to OpenCode to fix the Telegram. Everything is fine, but to connect it to Telegram. No. Now I'm authorized. So we have an OpenClaw access configured. Your Telegram user ID is here, and the pairing is here. But we need to wait until it's gonna be restarted, because we need to also pair our chat with our control panel. Just for the Telegram, okay. Let me try. With the bot. And the bot will reply pairing instructions. You must pair Telegram account first. If you want to add a bot, I'll comment to the bot. Okay. But what we need to do is we need to say hi here and get the response somehow. But before that, I had this pairing mode, okay. And if I'll go here, let's go to the terminal once again. I'm gonna start a new terminal and say OpenClaw configuration. No, I think it should be config. And if I want to update the channel, to modify it, the health check is here, but it's not doing anything. Then I need to. Telegram is not authorized. Okay. Well, it's talking to me. I need to go to channels, Telegram, modify. No. Oh, sorry. It was wrong. Yes. Pairing. What's going on here? Oh. Let's go back to the Okay, I need to paste another token here. What further? API token and revoke. Okay. So the best way to set up this OpenClaw is to use some kind of coding agent like Claude or OpenCode. Okay, to test it, start chat with the bot, send any message, and then add it to the whitelist. Okay, let's say hi. It's not giving me any info. I'll go to the channels. Everything is fine, but I'll paste everything to the. I'll paste everything here, and let's wait what he's gonna tell me. Maybe it's in the all form. No. It says Telegram group. The group? No. No need to do anything here. Just chat with Barkley in Telegram, follow pairing instructions, okay? Click start, maybe. Oh. Start. Okay. Nothing happened. I will delete this chat. Okay. Go to my bot again and start conversation. But the claw is working, right? If I'm gonna chat. How to DM. I misspelled this U. Chat. Share with me. Okay. It's nice. What should I do? Search for your. Bot token give you ID. Okay, search for bot in Telegram. Ready? Okay, look for chat ID in the response. Okay, what should I do? Nothing is here. The bot token. Bot token is that. Chat ID. Okay. I can also add. Maybe I need to add this bot to the chat. Okay. And here, maybe I have this. No, I don't have any chat ID. What I can also do, I can say chat ID. No. Then I'm gonna make a new chat and say Oleg and bot is here. And here I can also add another person. Chat ID. Bot. Okay, bot. This is no ID. No. No, nothing happened. Chat ID. You are chat ID. Also had it before. So I found my chat ID at the end. So I sent it to the bot. I'm gonna say hi here. I can see your bot token is already. I need to add your chat ID. Perfect. Go to your Telegram. You need to restart the gateway. This is what I can do here. Restart the gateway. And I can type here. Hi. What's up? In the channel policy. Now it's not working. Code is restarted. It's disconnected. Telegram is now working because of the help of my... Can you find the policy? Should be open. DMs. Custom history. Oh, finally. You see, the bot is typing something. I'm so glad we made it. So, use OpenClaw to fix all your bugs. Stay tuned. Oh. So let the Claude OpenCode fix all your bugs. Let's go to the part 2. I'm gonna do that next time.